So what are the benefits of live imaging on ice? Well, there's several, but I'm going to start with what I feel is number one, overarching. It's the ability to drill one hole and scan a significant distance around you to locate fish, structure, or cover. In the case of today, I'm really looking for fish. We have a bunch of people out here on the ice. We want to position people on top of the fish. I'm set to 50 feet. That's a 50-foot radius, which gives me a coverage diameter of 100 feet. And we're seeing fish right out to the far edge of that signal here. As I spin around, I'm able to see fish, but beyond just seeing fish, I'm able to see what their mood is at. Are they suspended off bottom? Are they swimming around? Those types of things indicate activity level. Additionally, what size are the fish? We've seen small fish, probably bait fish, and then we've seen nice marks, which on a panfish spot like this is bluegill and crappie, and then we've seen some big predator fish coming through as well. Now, after you've identified fish holding cover, fish holding structure, but really you want to be fishing fish, now you can go over and fish those fish, and that's the beauty of a bundle package like that. I have my 2D sonar, but with this pod here, I can also fish vertically in forward mode and have good range and see those fish interacting out to my front and to my rear, depending on depth, or I can switch the transducer into a down mode. Similar to 2D sonar, I'm focusing my surge directly below me and watch those fish swim around in real time. Each fish represented as a single dot, moving independently, dynamically, and interpreting how they're responding to my presentation.